Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp enchiladas, only way. Start by sautéing seasoned shrimp in olive oil until just opaque, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Make a quick filling with sautéed onions, garlic, and cilantro, then fold shrimp into warm tortillas. Spoon sauce over each roll, sprinkle cheese, and bake until bubbly and golden for a perfect, comforting dinner. In this video, I will show how to make shrimp enchiladas, only way. Heat a skillet with oil, add seasoned shrimp, and sear quickly until pink and slightly caramelized. Transfer shrimp to a plate to cool, then chop into bite-sized pieces for even filling distribution. Use the pan juices to sauté onions and garlic for extra flavor, creating a cohesive filling that makes each enchilada rich and balanced. In this video, I will show how to make shrimp enchiladas, only way. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's convenient while cooking and looks great on the counter. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make shrimp enchiladas, only way. Lay a warm tortilla on a work surface, add shrimp filling, a little sauce, and fold tightly. Arrange rolls in a casserole pan seam side down, drizzle remaining sauce, and top with shredded cheese. Bake until the cheese is melted and edges crisp slightly, then let rest a few minutes to set before serving for clean slices and maximum flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.